Hi, I am weaving a Houndstooth shawl, and this is the yarn that I'm using. It's Lana Grossa Garzato Piu. I hope that I pronounced that correctly. It's very nice yarn. It's a bit sticky, but okay. But what I wanted to show you is how I do the weaving, because I want both edges to look the same, and I want to show you how I handle my shuttles. So well, I have done 2 picks with my lighter color, and as you know, Houndstooth, it's 2 threads of one color and 2 threads of another color, and it's alternating, and you do 2 picks of one and 2 picks of the other color. So let's start with the dark color. I will first bring my heddle up, and that is how I always remember it. The first pick is with my heddle up, and I bring it, and I will put my other shuttle already here. I bring my yarn to the other side, and I will put my shuttle under the other shuttle, and I pinch the sides and I push, and then I bring my reed to the bottom position, and then I bring the shuttle that I will be working with below the other shuttle, and this makes that the yarn is getting grabbed on the side. And now I will do my second one, and I will bring my yarn over here, and I lay it underneath the other one, and I pull it a little straight and hold it here, and then I push it down. And then I will do my next 2 picks with the lighter color, and again I put my reed up. That's how I remember. It's kind of a check for yourself that you don't go wrong. So the first pick, and you see now I work from left to right and right to left, so that's a little bit different than what most people do. So this is the first pick, and I will bring my reed down to pull it here, and then again I will bring my reed down, and of course I made a mistake because I didn't put my shuttle below, but this is what I usually do. I bring it down, and then I do it under the other one, and this way the yarn gets grabbed here on the sides. And this is the second pick, and I put this shuttle below the other one, and I will show it once again, this time correctly, I hope. I put my reed in the upper position, I bring my shuttle from right to left, and then I lay it under the other color, and then I bead, and then my reed goes to the lower position, and I do this way. I put my shuttle under the other one, and I bring it to this side, And again I will bring it here, and when pulling the yarn here I always take care that I pull this a little bit straight and lay this in an angle. So this was my second, and I will do it one more time with the lighter color. So again I bring this from left to right. I put my shuttle under the other one, I beat it, and then I bring it, the reed, to the lower position. I bring my shuttle under the other one, and then I will pull my yarn through. So I hope this helps you, and well, if you like it, please give it a thumbs up, the video, and like my channel. I have a lot of other videos about weaving and crochet. So see you again.